How can the wake up and say this? That Igbo'S should not bother, we should not worry, we should not, condemn Tinubu. What is Mr. Arthureze? Under Buhari regime, 8 years. Arthureze should tell Igbo'S what Buhari done to Igbo'S, has done to Igbo'S for 8 years that he ruled Nigeria. 8 years suffering. Waiting Buhari to tell. What is the provision that Buhari provide to Igbo'S, to Easterners? Now you come to Tinubu, now, which is a side patient, which you know this, because he's benefiting from there. Because he's protecting in business. So that they will not go after him. That's why he's telling the Igbo'S that you keep quiet, that you not talk. Abi? After that you go and relax. If you don't know what to say, let you go and relax. After that, he said that Igbo'S are suffering in Nigeria. After that, it's there that Igbo there's nowhere to find in the power of seat. When the Nigeria will remember the Igbo'S, as long as the power is concerned. After they killed Igbo'S in 1966, the Igbo man have smelled that's a power of seat. The seat of power. And Igbo man have smelled here. So what an Igbo have coming out now telling Igbo'S. Igbo'S will keep quiet. Igbo'S have a 70% since after Nigeria Biafra war. We have been there enough. So why are you coming out now telling Igbo'S that they should keep quiet, they should not complain? It means that we are sleeping. It means that we are nothing. It means that we don't know what we are doing. It means that Igbo'S are nothing. That's what they are trying to tell us. That we should continue looking at Anyanya. According to Igbo, my people. And we should continue looking at Anyanya. After 1970, Nigeria Biafra war. Now after they come out now telling Igbo'S that they should not lament. No. That's not how to put things. That's not how to say to address issue. Arthureze is a wedded man. He's a richest man. As we are talking about he's a part of the country, he's a billionaire. He's okay with his family. Then his brothers and sisters are suffering all over Nigeria. Igbo man is nowhere recognized in Nigeria, in anywhere in Nigeria. Igbo man is nowhere recognized in Abuja, seat of power. They will just give you a little. They will just give you one kind of post that will hurt you. Anyway, that is all. That's why they will put Igbo man to. And Arthureze said that Igbo'S should remain calm. That we should start patient under this administration. Arthureze was there. Arthureze is there. After 2023 election, his brother won the election, and they manipulated under the election. Tinubu hijacked the election. Then gang up and hand over to Tinubu. Arthureze is there. He doesn't mention. He doesn't utter a word. What is the Labour Party won Lagos State? Arthureze is there. What the Westerners, the Yorubas that did Igbo'S in Lagos State? They come out after Igbo'S. Arthureze is there. The Arthureze utter any single word. The Arthureze said anything against what they are doing to the Igbo after the 2023 election, because of election in name of one Nigeria. Who is fooling who? Can you continue to bully me? No. No, he cannot continue to be fooling me. Arthureze is a wedding man. He don't care what his people is facing or what his people is passing through in this country. He don't care because he's okay. His pocket is okay. His family is okay. Everything is okay with him. He don't think where he come from. Look at status. Look at how status is. He is. Arthureze to tell me any further project in the eastern part of this country, any single federal project in the eastern part of the country, Arthureze to come and tell Igbo'S any single project done by federal government, Arthureze to come and tell the whole Igbo'S. Since after Nigeria Biafra war, Nigeria promised 7 and 8, promised that they will put everything in order in the eastern part of the country. At the end of the day, to date, nothing. Federal government does not ever touch Igbo land. Apart from the west and the north. Everything, the west and the north. And what they are using to develop all those land is coming from that eastern region. Arthureze is there where they are killing the Igbo'S where they are, frustrating the Igbo'S in Lagos, in the north. What on Arthureze have achieved to Igbo'S? He's a billionaire, he's a millionaire, he's a billionaire, he's a trillionaire. What has he done, has he achieved to Igbo'S? What has Arthureze have done to Igbo'S? What scholarship Arthureze have given the Igbo? Others do not remember that the Igbo'S are suffering in this country. We do not remember. Because of the condition they put to the Igbo'S in this country, that's why the Igbo'S scattered all over the world. That's why they go all over the world, scatter themselves, struggle to survive. They struggle to survive. No single project in the East. Anything you see in the East is by the youth. The youth struggle to put anything in the East. According as went to East now, you see how it be. The difference that you see in Igbo land tonight is the youth. The struggle of the Igbo have to go out and struggle and come back and to blow their land. Federal government have not done anything. Federal government of Nigeria have not done anything in the southeast, and that also is there. So that we say it's a separation with the Tinubu. The Tinubu love Igbo'S. He love Igbo. He take our mandate. You know that he did this return of Igbo to rule Nigeria, to take over that power. You come and hijack it. And you start to come out to telling me that I should separate for Tinubu. I should not talk. I should not complain. Under Buhari, we a child patent 8 years, nothing. Nothing happened. I don't see any hope from this government. Do you see any hope? People are dying here and here. Boko Haram have power. People are coming. Even Nigerian army, backing herdsmen. They are backing herdsmen. They are backing herdsmen. They are backing herdsmen to terrorize the whole region. Nigerian army preparing them. But if it is Easterners, they will nearly clear the Igbo'S. They will clear the Igbo'S. They have come after Igbo, they clear them. But look at what the henchman is doing. Nobody asks a question. Right now the soldier, Nigerian military will back in them. Now they are telling me to establish it in this regime. Who carry the regime? Who carry the regime? What have I benefit? What have you benefited in this country? Nothing. Are you telling me to start patient? What kind of patient? What kind of patient was inside in this government? Why wouldn't I complain? Why wouldn't I challenge them? They have nothing to offer. You had your jacket what belong to what belong to another person. You think that it will be well with you? No. It will never be well. You can never do it. You can never get it. You can't even get it. Rather you get it. You get more this thing. Rather you sit outside and outside and that's what you gain. Because you are jacking another person's mandate. You understand? What is our money? Where's money? People are suffering. People are hungry. One man he died last night. I was away where people were lamenting. One man died because of hunger. The woman eated the intestine because of hungry. Maybe the man don't know how to ask. I beg, help me. I'm hungry. Somebody like me, I don't know how to beg. Or let people who I know that I can maybe, ask. I can't come out now. I'm begging. No. The man don't die Sarah because of hunger. What type of government is this? How can we continue like this? Who can continue like this, my brother? After that, you go and relax. Stop deceiving Igbo'S. Because your family is okay, you're okay. You're telling Igbo'S that you not complain. That you are what patient? What patient? You are there. See what they are doing to their people. You are there, Igbo'S are dying. Here, Igbo'S are suffering. Please, after that you go. to go and relax one corner. After that, she leave Igbo'S alone. She leave Igbo'S alone. He said, Nigeria, let him go work with them. Let arthureze work with Tinubu, work with the APC. Because they are the one that put us in this mess.
Hey, is that what's going on now?
He said Tinubu, who can go up against Jonathan? Put Jonathan away. Said that Buhari is the Messiah. Our Nigeria was suffering after they put Jonathan away, hoping that Buhari will turn things aside, turn things to be good. At the end of the day, where we are. After Buhari, nothing. This one come a miracle, now in turn. What is not in turn? It's a hijacker. And they supported him now. Everybody are complaining, everybody is crying. If that will not cry again. It's whatever you sow, you reap it. Whatever you sow, you reap. So arthureze should go and work with Tinubu. It's a Nigeria. I'm not a Nigerian, I'm a Biafra. I still believe where I come from. Biafra will never die. And I can never deny my religion. I can never deny my country. I know where I come from. Arthureze is a Nigerian. Let him work with Nigeria, with his family. Let him continue working with Nigeria. When his brothers are dying, hand in hand of country, devilish Nigeria, devilish country. No, enough is enough, my brother. Enough is enough. Thank you very much. Thank you.